Hey, what's up guys? This is Matt here, back with Loon Outdoors, and today we are talking kits. So we have 3 fly tying toolkits and 2, I call them chemical kits because they use lotions and potions and sauces that cure with lights and stuff like that. So first and foremost, out of the gate, we're going to talk about fly tying toolkits. And we have our entry-level kit, which is going to get you every tool for the curious guy who wants to get into fly tying. This is our core fly tying toolkit. Literally, it'll probably get you through 80% of the world of fly tying. And what we kind of have in here is that you can see is a your bobbin, your whip finisher, a bodkin, a hackle plier, and a pair of all-purpose scissors. Overall, it's going to be probably one of the most comprehensive small kits that you can get, and it comes in a awesome box for easy storage and mobility. So next up we have our accessory kit. Now the accessory kit is going to feature, again, another set of tools that are a little bit more advanced. They're the next level of tying tools that you may want to get into. And so you get a vise pawn, a dubbing spinner, a dubbing brush, a medium-sized hair stacker, and our D-loop tweezers, which work everything kind of works in conjunction with each other. So overall, it's a really awesome accessory kit. For the tyer who maybe has the basic stuff but wants to get a little bit more advanced, this is going to be the kit for them. And again, it comes in a nice locking box. Everything's locked in there, ready to be mobile if needed. The last kit that we have is the complete fly tying tool kit. Now it has all of the tools that we just featured inside of the last kit in one larger, more convenient storage option. So again, you get the best of both worlds here. You have every tool under the sun, so you're able to do basically everything. And again, it comes in a super cool, awesome, large size box, and great for storage or just keeping track of your tools so you can clean it up at the end of the day. So next up we have, this is kind of a different kit. This is the bench kit. And the bench kit's awesome, and it's going to come with 2 different dubbing waxes. Both are low tack and high tack, which means that it's stickier or less sticky. You get our head cement, you get hard head in both clear and in black. This is a great little kit with evaporative products, meaning these aren't the ones that are going to cure with lights, and a great way to attach dubbing to your thread for making basically 90% of your flies. So this is the bench kit from Loon. It's an awesome little deal that you can get for the fly tyer in your life. And last but not least, if you're progressing or your significant other who's the fly tyer in your life is getting more into UV curing products, the UV fly tying kit comes with everything that you need to get started. Inside of here you have all 3 of our viscosities of resin. You have our bench light, tips, applicator brushes. Everything's all just crammed into one awesome little package. It's a great stocking stuffer, and you'll cover every use that you could ever want with UV curing products with this one box. So hopefully you guys enjoyed all of these cool options as far as our kits go for the fly tyer in your life. Again, I'm Matt. Thank you for tuning in to Loon Outdoors, and we'll catch you next time.